Now I have some exciting news. I wasn't sure if it was because of COVID because Makeup Geek is going out of business. I know Sugar Pill still hasn't gotten that yellow, bright canary yellow color yet. Um, COVID has really ruined everything, and people just can't get their supplies in time. It's just really, really hard to get what you need because everything is so backed up due to COVID. Makeup Geek is just going out of business. She just had a baby, and I think she wants to concentrate on that because she was going to start a skincare line, and she just couldn't get the supplies in. I think she only got like one thing in. So she's just has this huge going out of business sale. I mean, I don't even know if everything's sold out yet because this was like 2 weeks ago. And I know that Sugar Pill was saying also that she's still working on getting that yellow. And it's been like 3 years. So I thought that maybe Wet n Wild wasn't really going to be doing anything this year, anything big. I figured, Physicians Formula is doing like little box sets. Maybe that's where they're putting all their attention and focus on. But last night, when I came back from groceries, I was looking through my Instagram, and Wet n Wild announced this massive Care Bear collection. It's massive. They're selling a PR box for $85. From what I can tell, because I was like, last night I was looking through Instagram, hashtag Wet n Wild, hashtag Wet n Wild Beauty, hashtag Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and finally somebody posted, so I don't know how they got the pictures, but they got pictures of some of these items, and they were stock photos. It wasn't like their personal pictures, but anyway, so all of a sudden my eyes getting irritated. Oh, it might be the fan. I suffer from dry eyes, so it might be the fan. It's like 81 degrees today. The humidity is at 56%, but you still need. I don't want to put on the air conditioner to save money. You need the fans. I'll wait till it's high humidity. Anyway, so they have this massive collection. Somebody got the pictures. I was looking it up and I saw some of the pictures. I told my friend Aesthetic Edge, and she started looking for information to. She has more resources because she's a blogger. She has more resources. I'm sorry, my eyes just like all of a sudden just got irritated for no reason. Anyway, she's a blogger, so she has more resources, and she found some information about it. And she sent me in the article, and then I just put some allergy drops in case it's the allergies, because I have been miserable with the allergies. I know I'm not sick, but I've been miserable with allergies. Anyway, I'm so sorry. I'm going to keep my eye closed for now and just keep fanning it. But anyway, she found that it's already on the Wet n Wild website, but it's not for sale yet. Now, I think this is replacing their summer fantasy makers. And they said it's going to be available everywhere. But the article said only at Ulta and Walmart. It was supposed to go to live today in stores and on the website, but I called my store and they don't have it. They say they usually don't get shipments till the weekends, and usually Aesthetic says that Sunday, from Saturday midnight to Sunday is when they usually put up the new stuff. So be on top of that, but also be aware this collection is massive and the PR box doesn't have everything. There's a few things that you will have to buy separately. The brushes, the lashes, the face gem. And I think there was something else, but I can't remember right now. But it is massive. It's got 4 lip glosses. It's got lip mask. It's got lip balm. It's got cleansing balm. It's got facial mist. It's got setting spray. Oh my goodness! It's got so it's got the eyeshadow palette. It's got the stick-on nails. That was the other thing. The press-on nails is on the box. So yeah, I mean it comes with mascara, with a eyelash curler, What else? Trying to think, cause it is massive. Oh my goodness, it's all I could remember now. But you could check out their website, look at the pictures, read the information on the box. Um, so yeah, it's massive. So Wet and Wild is gonna have it, Ulta's gonna have it, and supposedly the article said Walmart's gonna have it in April. But Wet and Wild announced it's gonna be everywhere. You can find this collection at Walgreens, at CVS, at Target, at Rite Aid. So just keep an eye out for that. It is the Care Bears Wet and Wild collection, and it's, to me, that's really cute because my when my oldest was a baby, she had a couple of Care Bears. That's when the Care Bears came out. So anyway, okay. So next week, I'll see you next week. I'm not sure when this is gonna go up because I gotta go to Walmart today anyway, pick up a few things. So probably be up by tomorrow. But see you next week. Mwah.